Why every pro uses the Magewell SDI USB Capture Plus. And why yours might suck without it. Ever felt like your livestream setup is cursed? You boot up OBS, but your SDI cam won't sync. Your webinar audio's glitching out, again. You're juggling adapters, outdated capture cards, and driver installs like it's 2010. Whether you're broadcasting, live streaming, or recording pro content, unreliable gear ruins the vibe and the footage. You're chasing deadlines with tech that can't keep up, wasting hours fighting lag, syncing issues, or fried audio inputs. And forget plug and play, it's more like plug and pray. We've all been there. Stuck in the middle of a shoot with gear that flakes harder than your neighbor's Wi-Fi. Enough's enough. Let's get real. Tech headaches aren't just annoying, they're expensive. Every dropped frame, audio dropout, or setup delay snowballs into missed meetings, wrecked streams, or even lost clients. Stress builds, caffeine flows, and your gear still refuses to behave. You're sweating bullets while your audience waits, and your competition? They're out there with buttery-smooth workflows, snagging your views. Burnout creeps in when you have to babysit your setup 24/7. One more failed input signal and you might just toss your laptop across the studio. You need capture that works flawlessly every time, because your sanity and deadlines aren't negotiable. Say hello to your new best friend behind the scenes. The Magewell USB Capture SDI Plus. It's the slick, rock-solid solution that pro streamers, AV technicians, and video wizards swear by. With 0 drivers, instant SDI signal recognition, and loop-through monitoring, it's your plug-and-play superhero. No more fiddling, no more crashes, just flawless 1080p capture, clean embedded audio, and compatibility with every major platform. It runs 24/7 without breaking a sweat, supports OBS, Zoom, Teams, and even your grandma's favorite video chat app. From camera to screen, it just works. No drama. No tech rage. Just magic. Smooth workflows. Minimal CPU usage. Driver-free setup. Triple platform compatibility. Oh, and SDI capture up to 2K with embedded and analog audio? Yeah, that too. Whether you're a streamer needing buttery video, a corporate team managing conferences, or a filmmaker capturing remote feeds, this is your upgrade. The Magewell SDI USB Capture Plus gives you sharp detail, studio-level reliability, and 0 guesswork. Still skeptical? It's been reviewed, battle-tested, and loved by pros. So take a breath, friend, ditch the dongle chaos and treat yourself to simplicity. Click below, check it out, and experience capture done right. Don't wait for your next tech meltdown. The Magewell USB Capture SDI Plus is trusted by thousands and backed by a 3-year warranty. Stock's flying off shelves, and when it's gone, it's gone. No drivers. No drama. Just flawless, frame-perfect capture every single time. Whether you're live streaming your big moment, hosting global webinars, or just trying to not lose your mind during video calls, this is your secret weapon. Ready to level up your content and ditch the stress? Hit that link. Smash that button. Grab yours now before it vanishes from your cart forever. Because pro level should be your default.